Drown the meat you want to store in enough water for 15 to 20 minutes. Any blood or any other particles sticked to the meat will come off in the water. Drain this water and pour fresh water, while gently splashing with your hands to thoroughly wash the meat. Drain this water also. You certainly will observe the difference in color of water of first and second wash, and feel satisfied with your conscientious effort and approach to eat healthy and hygienic food. Keep the meat in a strainer for 15 to 20 minutes so that any water left in the meat may be drained out and meat is quite dry while it is being packed. Pack the meat according to your cooking quantity requirements and also specific portion meat as per dish requirement in Ziploc bags and label these. Deep freeze for long-term use.